students, welcome back to our class. In this class we have to discuss the most important multiple choice questions from history part 8th chapter, era of Gandhi and national movement. This is very important chapter, so you all have to concentrate and learn all these important multiple choice questions. Okay, let's start. First question is, the following period is known as the Gandhian era. Options are 1921 and 1947, 1918 and 1948, 1919 and 1947, 1920 and 1947. The right answer option D. The period between 1920 and 1947 is called as the Gandhian era. Next question. Mahatma Gandhiji was born on, options are 2nd October 1869, 2nd January 1969, 2nd October 1858, 2nd January 1867. The right answer option A. Mahatma Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869. Next question. Mahatma Gandhiji was born in, options are Pune, Ahmedabad, Porbandar, Palanpur. The right answer option C. Mahatma Gandhiji was born in Porbandar. Next question. The father of Mahatma Gandhiji was the Diwan of, options are Malabar region, Kanpur region, Hyderabad, Rajkot state. The right answer option D. Rajkot state. Next question is, who were the parents of Mahatma Gandhiji? Options are Amba Shankar Tiwari and Amruta Bai, Karmchand Gandhi and Putali Bai, Ramji and Bhima Bai, Vishwanath and Bhuvaneshwari. The right answer option B. Karmchand Gandhi and Putali Bai were the parents of Mahatma Gandhiji. Next question. Mahatma Gandhiji went to Natal of South Africa to, options are support Nelson Mandela, oppose the apartheid policy, represent Dada Abdullah and company, support to workers. The right answer option C. Mahatma Gandhiji went to Natal of South Africa to represent Dada Abdullah and company. Next question. Mahatma Gandhiji went to England in, options are 1978, 1988, 1967, 1888. The right answer option D. Mahatma Gandhiji went to England in 1888. Next question. Mahatma Gandhiji went to Natal of South Africa to represent Dada Abdullah and company in, options are 1892, 1893, 1891, 1863. The right answer option B. 1893. Next question is, you sent us unformed Gandhi and we sent back the complete of Gandhi was declared by, options are Dada Abdullah, Nelson Mandela, South Africans, Herman Kallenbach. The right answer option C. South Africans. Next question. Natal Indian Congress was founded by, options are Subhash Chandra Bose, Gandhiji, Gokhale, Nehru. The right answer option B. Natal Indian Congress was founded by Gandhiji. Next question. The political guru of Mahatma Gandhiji was, options V.D. Savarkar, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dadabhai Naoroji, Bipin Chandrapal. The right answer option B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was the guru of Mahatma Gandhiji. Next question. Gandhiji established Sabarmati Ashrama at Ahmedabad in, options are 1916, 1918, 1917, 1921. The right answer option A. 1916. Next question is, in 1917, Gandhi launched Champarana movement in support of, options are tribal people, mill workers, farmers, indigo growers. The right answer option D. Indigo growers. Next question. In 1918, Gandhi started a movement in support of the mill workers of, options are Ballarpur, Bombay, Ahmedabad, Calcutta. The right answer option C. Ahmedabad. Next question. Mahatma Gandhiji started a protest in Kheda village of Gujarat to, options are support indigo growers, support farmers, oppose land taxes, support tribal people. The right answer option C. Mahatma Gandhiji started a protest in Kheda village of Gujarat to oppose land taxes. Next question. Gandhi arrived back to India from South Africa in the year? Options are 1916, 1915, 1913, 1918. The right answer option B. Gandhiji arrived back to India from South Africa in the year 1915. Next question. Mahatma Gandhiji used to express his thoughts in periodicals like options are Young India and Harijan, New India and Harijan, Commonweal and Young India, Harijan and Prabuddha Bharata. The right answer option A. Young India and Harijan. Next one. The word Satyagraha means options are fight for truth, fasting for truth, protest for truth, the assertion of the truth. The right answer option D. The assertion of the truth. Next question is the main strategies of Gandhiji's struggle were options are non-violence and Satyagraha, passive resistance, non-violence and Satyagraha, passive resistance and non-violence, passive resistance and request. The right answer option B. Passive resistance, non-violence and Satyagraha. Next question. One of the major weapons of Gandhiji employed in South Africa was options are Ahimsa, unity of Hindus and Muslims, Satyagraha, passive resistance organization. The right answer option C. Satyagraha. Let's move to next question. The use of this weapon is one of the major social exploration has ever taken place in the human history. Options are Satyagraha, unity of Hindus and Muslims, Ahimsa, passive resistance organization. The right answer option A. Satyagraha. Next one. The basic trait of Gandhiji's struggle is options are Satyagraha, passive resistance, truthfulness, Ahimsa. The right answer option D. Ahimsa. Next question. A strong message in the annals of the history is options are made the British accept the demands of the farmers, the defeat of the mighty English in the hands of Gandhi to achieve independence against the brutal force of British. The right answer option B. The defeat of the mighty English in the hands of Gandhi. Next question. Hindus and Muslims are the two eyes of the Mother India was said by options are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhiji, Nehru, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. The right answer option B. Mahatma Gandhiji. Next question. Who believed that without unity among Muslims and Hindus it is difficult to achieve independence? Options are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Mahatma Gandhiji. The right answer option D. Mahatma Gandhiji. Next question. The British implemented Rowlatt Act in options are 1918, 1923, 1919, 1916. The right answer option C. 1919. Next question. Gandhi formed an association called Satyagraha Sabha to oppose options are political methods of the British, Rowlatt Act, mindless violence of the British, untouchability. The right answer option B. Rowlatt Act. Next question. Gandhiji had called for one-day hurtal to protest against Rowlatt Act on options are April 6, 1919, May 8, 1923, March 7, 1918, April 18, 1916. The right answer option A. April 6, 1919. Next question. Through the Rowlatt Act of 1919, the British started options are controlling the moderates, controlling the farmers, controlling the extremists, controlling the nationalists. The right answer option D. Controlling the nationalists. Next question. Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place on the day of options are Baisakhi festival, Shivaji celebration, Durga festival, Ganesha festival. The right answer option A. Baisakhi festival. Next question is Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place while protesting against Dash Act. Options are Regulating Act, Rowlatt Act, Indian Councils Act of 1861 and Charter Act of 1813. The right answer option B. Rowlatt Act. Next question. The people had assembled in a Jallianwala Bagh on the day of Baisakhi festival to options are protest the arrest of Dr. Fakhruddin and Dr. Satyapal. Next one. Oppose the Rowlatt Act, opposing mindless violence, oppose land taxes. The right answer option A, protest the arrest of Dr. Fakhruddin and Dr. Satyapal. Next one. The military general of Amritsar responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre was options are General Dyer, Warren Hastings, Robert Clive, Lord Wellesley. The right answer option A, General Dyer. Next one. Dash returned his knighthood award back opposing the mindless violence of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. The options are Nehru, Jatin Das, V.D. Savarkar, Rabindranath Tagore. The right answer Rabindranath Tagore returned his knighthood award back opposing the mindless violence of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Next question. The main reason for the launch of non-cooperation movement by Gandhi was options are Khilafat movement, tribal revolt, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Rowlatt Act. The right answer option C, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Next question. A revolutionary who killed Michael O. Dyer was options are Bhagat Singh, Udham Singh, Aurobindo Ghosh, Bala Gangadhar Tilak. The right answer option B, Udham Singh. Next question. The sultans of Turkey were called as options are Badshah, Khalif, social reformers, political leaders of Turkey. The right answer option B, Khalif. Next question. The movement led by Ali brothers was options are civil disobedience movement, non-cooperation movement, quit India movement, Khilafat movement. The right answer option D, Khilafat movement. Next question. The Khilafat movement in India was started by options are Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad and Shaukat Ali, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan and Muhammad Ali and Gandhi. The right answer option A, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Next question. In the Dash movement, both Hindus and Muslims participated in nationwide protests. Options are Khilafat movement, farmers movement, non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement. The right answer Khilafat movement. Next question. The Congress passed a resolution to conduct non-cooperation movement in a special national convention held in options are Madras, Mumbai, Calcutta, Delhi. The right answer option C, Calcutta. Next question. Gandhi withdrew the non-cooperation movement on options are June 10, 1923, February 12, 1922, January 9, 1921, March 13, 1982. The right answer option B, February 12, 1922. Next question. The British held Gandhiji responsible for all the violent uprisings including the Chauri Chaura incident and arrested him on options are on March 10, 1922, on June 10, 1924, on May 10, 1923, on February 10, 1925. The right answer option A, on March 10, 1922. Next question. Non-cooperation movement was started in options are 1921, 1919, 1923, 1920. The right answer option D, 1920. Next question. Swaraj Party was found in options are 1920, 1923, 1922, 1919. The right answer option B, 1923. Next question. Swaraj Party was founded by options are Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das, Subhash Chandra Bose and Motilal Nehru, Gandhi and C.R. Das, Motilal Nehru and Jawaharlal Nehru. The right answer option A, Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das. Next question. The Congress National Convention was held in Delhi under the chairmanship of options are Subhash Chandra Bose, Motilal Nehru, C.R. Das, Abdul Kalam Azad. The right answer option D, Abdul Kalam Azad. Next question. The British government appointed Simon Commission in options are 1920, 1925, 1927, 1926. The right answer option C. The British government appointed Simon Commission in the year 1927. Next question. Simon Commission arrived in India on options are January 4, 1923, February 3, 1928, March 5th, 1926, June 6th, 1925. The right answer option B, February 3rd, 1928. Next one. The British government appointed Simon Commission to study the effects of options or Government of India Act 1919, Indian Councils Act of 1861, Indian Government Act of 1858, Indian Councils Act of 1909. The right answer option A, Government of India Act 1919. Next question. Lala Lajpat Rai died when the protesters were lathi charged in options are Mumbai, Madras, Lahore, Delhi. The right answer option C, Lahore. Next question. Lahore Congress Convention was held under the chairmanship of options are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru, M.R. Jayakar. The right answer option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. Ramsay MacDonald was the Labour Prime Minister of options are India, Russia, France, England. The right answer option D, Ramsay MacDonald was the Labour Prime Minister of England. Next question. Salt Satyagraha was started in options are Dandi, Ahmedabad, Pune, Mirzapur. The right answer option A, Dandi. Next question. When was Dandi March started? Options are on April 15th, 1933, on March 12, 1930, on February 16, 1934, on June 13, 1931. The right answer option B, on March 12, 1930. Next question. Charakada spinning wheel became more famous during options are Civil Disobedience Movement, Quit India Movement, Non-Cooperation Movement, Dandi March. The right answer option D, Dandi March. Next question. Where did the working committee of the Congress pass the resolution to conduct civil disobedience movement? Options are Ahmedabad, Pune, Sabarmati Ashram, Madras. The right answer option C, at Sabarmati Ashram. Next question. A meeting of Indian legislative representatives was held at London in the year. Options are 1930, 1932, 1934, 1933. The right answer option A, 1930. Let's see next question. The first round table conference was held in options are 1929, 1932, 1930, 1934. The right answer option C, 1930. Next one. In the second round table conference, Ambedkar pressed for a separate electoral constituency for options are farmers, women, workers, untouchables. The right answer option D, untouchables. Next question is communal award was implemented in the year. Options are 1947, 1932, 1934, 1919. The right answer option B, communal award was implemented in the year 1932. Next question. Gandhiji started fasting unto death against. Options are formation of federal government, direct action day, communal award, partition of India. The right answer option C, Gandhiji started fasting unto death against communal award. Next question. Pune Pact was entered between options are Ambedkar, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Gandhi and Nehru, Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Gandhi, Gandhi and Ambedkar. The right answer option D, Pune Pact was entered between Gandhi and Ambedkar. Next question. As a result of the three round table conferences, the Government of India Act of Dash was passed. Options are 1935, 1861, 1958, 1909. The right answer option A, 1935. Next question. Quit India movement was started in options are 1940, 1943, 1942, 1941. The right answer option C, Quit India movement was started in the year 1942. Next question. Gandhiji gave a call to the fellow Indians to do or die during this movement. Options are Quit India movement, Civil Disobedience movement, Khilafat movement, Non-Cooperation movement. The right answer option A, Quit India movement. Next question, the leader of socialist wing of Congress was, options are Abdul Kalam Azad, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jai Prakash Narayan. The right answer option D, Jai Prakash Narayan was the leader of socialist wing of Congress. Next question, after the elections of 1937, the dash was kept out from government formation process. Options are Indian National Congress, Gandhiji, Muslims League, Subhash Chandra Bose. The right answer option C, Muslims League. Next question, Vimukti Divas was celebrated by, options are Muslims League, Indian National Congress, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Abdul Kalam Azad. The right answer option A, Muslims League. Next question, the farmers of Bengal rebelled against, options are the planters, the zamindars and Nizam's Razaks, the British, the zamindars. The right answer option D, the zamindars. Next question, in Telangana farmers protested against, options are the British, the zamindars and Nizam's Razaks, the zamindars, the planters. The right answer option B, the zamindars and Nizam's Razaks. Next question, workers' struggle in Calcutta was started in the year, options are 1846, 1843, 1856, 1827. The right answer option D, workers' struggle in Calcutta was started in the year 1827. Next question, dash is popularly known as Netaji. Options are Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The right answer option C, Subhash Chandra Bose is popularly known as Netaji. Next question, the Congress Socialist Party was founded by, options are Subhash Chandra Bose and Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhiji and Abdul Kalam Azad, Aurobindo Ghosh and Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The right answer option A, Subhash Chandra Bose and Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question, the president of Haripur Convention of Indian National Congress was, options are Jawaharlal Nehru, Gandhiji, Motilal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose. The right answer option D, Subhash Chandra Bose was the president of Haripur Convention of Indian National Congress. Next question, Forward Bloc was founded by, options are Motilal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lal Lajpat Rai, Raj Bihari Bose. The right answer option B, Subhash Chandra Bose was founded Forward Bloc. Next question, Raj Bihari Bose had founded India Independence League in, options are Berlin, German, Tokyo of Japan, Rangoon. The right answer option C, Tokyo of Japan. Next question, who gave the call Delhi Chalo? Options are Khudiram Bose, V.D. Savarkar, Vishnu Shastri, Subhash Chandra Bose. The right answer option D, Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question, give me your blood, I will get you freedom was said by, options are Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Motilal Nehru, Chandrasekhar Azad. The right answer option B, Subhash Chandra Bose. The leadership of Indian National Army's Jhansi Regiment was held by, options are Lakshmi Sehgal, Ani Besant, Madam Kama, Rani Lakshmi Bai. The right answer option A, Lakshmi Sehgal. Next question, political freedom without social freedom is meaningless was believed by, options are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Aurobindo Ghosh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh. The right answer option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question, who among the following attended all the 3 round table conferences? Options are V.D. Savarkar, Mahatma Gandhiji, Bhagat Singh, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The right answer option D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question, India's first Prime Minister was, options are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, Indira Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru. The right answer option D, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was Diwan to, options are Mysore Maharaja, Madras Maharaja, Baroda Maharaja, Hyderabad. The right answer option C, Baroda Maharaja. Next question. Mahad and Kalaram movement was formed by options are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Rajanarayana Bose, Motilal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose. The right answer option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. Bahishkrut Hitakarani Sabha and Swatantra Karmika Party were founded by options are Jatin Das, Aurobindo Ghosh, C.R. Das, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The right answer option D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. The periodicals named Prabuddha Bharata, Janata, Mookanayaka and Bahishkrut Bharata were published by options are V.D. Savarkar, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Subhash Chandra Bose, Khudiram Bose. The right answer option B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. The president of the Constituent Assembly was options Motilal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, Subhash Chandra Bose. The right answer option C, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. Next question. The chairman of the drafting committee was options are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Motilal Nehru, Khudiram Bose, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. The right answer option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. The first law minister of independent India was options are Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, C. Chittaranjan Das, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The right answer option D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. Dash was influenced by communist ideology. Options are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, V.D. Savarkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi. The right answer option C, Jawaharlal Nehru was influenced by communist ideology. Next question. The president of 49th session of Indian National Congress was options are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Motilal Nehru. The right answer option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. Congress supports complete democracy and it fights for democracy only and not for socialism was declared by options are Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. The right answer option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. Dash is known as the Iron Man of India. Options are Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Chandrasekhar Azad, Abdul Kalam Azad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The right answer option D, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Iron Man of India. Next question. Muhammad Ali Jinnah joined Indian National Congress in options are 1916, 1913, 1906, 1914. The right answer option C, Muhammad Ali Jinnah joined Indian National Congress in the year 1906. Next question. Muhammad Ali Jinnah worked as the private secretary to options are Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dadabhai Naoroji, R.C. Dutt, Sitaram Rajaguru. The right answer option B, Muhammad Ali Jinnah worked as the private secretary to Dadabhai Naoroji. Next question. Muslims League and Congress failed to form a coalition government in the year. Options are 1938, 1939, 1936, 1937. The right answer option D, 1937. Next question. The Muslims League called for Direct Action Day on options are August 16th, 1946, February 17th, 1944, June 15th, 1945, March 18th, 1943. The right answer option A, August 16th, 1946. Next question. A separate nation for Muslims was put forward by options are Ali brothers, Abdul Kalam Azad, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. The right answer option C, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Next question. The boundaries between India and Pakistan was marked by options are Simon Commission, Radcliffe Commission, Cabinet Mission, the Strafford-Cripps Commission. The right answer option B, Radcliffe Commission. Okay students, practice this all the important multiple choice questions and we will continue our class with the next lesson most important multiple choice questions. Till then, take care.